Hello everyone, this is Rana, interior designer from IKEA, and this topic is very interesting. It's about colors and how colors can impact our sleep and our mood. Studies have shown that yellow is associated with warmth and comfort. It makes you sleep comfortably and at the same time you can wake up refreshed. Yellow represents optimism, cheerfulness, joy, happiness. This bed is dressed up with many layers of textiles of different materials to give you this rich look. This cushion cover, girly, which is a rich gold yellow, it's very easy to mix and match with other solid colored cushions or patterned cushions, and it's the easiest way to change the look of your bed and give it a bit of comfort as it's made of cotton with more sustainable resources. Poudre Viva quilt cover and pillowcase, it's made of 100% linen. The natural fibers in linen makes it very comfortable while sleeping as it absorbs the moisture while sleeping for a better night's sleep. And there is nothing much better than allowing daylight to enter to the room to give you this fresh feeling, especially when you have a curtain like T-Bast, which is 100% cotton. It can block the unwanted glare, and at the same time it allows the daylight to come inside for extra warmth and coziness, and also provides privacy. And on a chilly evening, you can have this throw, Omtak Sam throw. It's 100% soft wool. It's the perfect size to cover up your shoulders or legs. This is all about yellow, and if yellow is not your color, then definitely you're gonna love what we have next.